Welcome back, guys. This is another video of Clash Royale, and I'm just gonna be playing just because, and I'm gonna basically just play today, just regular playing. And today, I'm gonna try this deck right here. It's pretty good. Yeah, and I've been winning a lot with it. I'm trying to get to Pack of Playoff. So let's see if we can try to get that in this video. Okay, got my goblins. Let's try to pinch. Okay, he's got that. I'm gonna save it for my archers. Place him down. Okay, so he's gonna take a little bit of damage, but not too much. Or maybe a lot. But I got more damage on the last game, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna place a bomb tower, because those are really good, and especially if you upgrade it. Mine's only level 3, because I'm gonna save some to give to French Fry. He's got it too. That's a good thing. Yeah, get the goblin hunt. That'll be good. Alright, and if I put a goblin barrel, then I should be good. And yeah. Right, and he's got a balloon coming, so I'm gonna get some archers. Alright, we get some damage. Let's try to see if I can take this goblin hut out. Wow, the archer is really strong. Oh my gosh, you little bee. So we're gonna take that out. Not to worry, because I'll take this out. Alright, so I'm gonna probably, I want to take thing out, and yeah, got 2 bomb towers, so I'm gonna take those out. Oh my gosh, they annihilated me. Open up that window. Okay, so oh no, my army. Go. What the? Where did he get that from? Oh my gosh, he's too much. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bomb tower right here so they could just take damage right here. It's gonna be placing bomb towers all over. Okay. I'm gonna try to take my thing out. So I don't want it to happen. I'll try to take his tower out. Go! Go, attack him! Go, go, go! I just faced the guy with the P.E.K.K.A. and the P.E.K.K.A. sucks. The giant P.E.K.K.A. It really sucks. Alright, so it was a tie, because he's got like the same exact tricks as I do. I'm gonna try a different squad to see if that could work better. We're gonna go against French Fry right now. I'm gonna try to switch this deck out, and I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so I'm back, and I got this deck right here. It should be a little bit better and cheaper, and I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so we're going against Elphic, or however you using Obsidian, and we'll just start off with some Barbarians, and I'm gonna get Musketeer on the other side. And oh, and you got the Wizard. Wow. Oh crap! No. Oh my gosh, the Wizard's overpowered. I want the Wizard. Yes, bomb. Alright, so we've got Minion Horde, which took out a bunch more troops, but archers are better. I got a Musketeer and I got a Wait. And I still oh my gosh, he's probably gonna raid show here. Oh crap. Oh, stop it, Bomber! No! Oh my gosh, that was very bad. Ah! Well, we lost trophies there. 30 trophies, oh wow. Maybe I should stick with the same strategy that I had. I'm probably gonna battle one of my clanmates. Oh, hold on, let me go put you back to this one. Yeah, I'm gonna request a battle and I'll come back when I have. Alright, I'm back with King Gamer Zero. He's the leader of the clan and he's one of the best people in here. He's a level 7 and he's really strong. So I'm gonna try to see if I can at least get 1 crown against him. Because I've never beat him before. But we're gonna really try today. Alright. He uses the Wizard on me. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so mad. Bomb towers are good against the Barbarians. See, they just took it out instantly. Let's go with the Prince. Oh my gosh. Rage it. And yeah, and I got the rage. You guys didn't notice? Because I've been making videos for a long time. No, my Prince died. This is how we go. Alright, so basically we could just defend and we'll still be good because he's a very hard guy to beat, and if we just defend then we should be good. Oh my gosh. Any archers? Oh, maybe not. Maybe our middle tower, our side towers can take it out. There. He hasn't even hit a building yet. Yes, he hit his already. We should be proud. I'm gonna save. Oh, I should get a bomb tower down. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, his army! Go bomb him! Bomb him! Bomb! Rage it up! Boom, 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 boom. No. How could you do this to me? I probably need to get some arrows in my deck, because that'd be good. my gosh. We lost a tower. Is that bad placement? Oh, no balloon. Well, we didn't do too bad. We didn't get 3-star against them. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I was gonna go against Flash Gamer. Alright, we're just getting to another battle, and then we can end this video. Okay. Yay. We took that tower out. Oh no, we didn't actually. What the heck? Archers, help him. Oh snap, that blasts him away. Archers, they should be able to take that out, right? Did they? Yeah. Alright, barbarians and follow. Oh snap, he didn't take it out. Alright. Oh man. Okay. I should be able to take it out right here. Rage it. Guess not. Yes, we took it out. Yes, we did it. Yay. Good job, everybody. We did it. Yay. Okay, okay, so alright, so we should be good. We got 1,000 trophies, which is pretty good. And if you guys did like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, goodbye.